Guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about women's role in freedom struggle movement. Our today's quotation is speak only if it improves upon the silence, said by Mahatma Gandhi. So don't waste your energy, only use it when it needed. Our one-liner questions are: who launched Home Rule League and who organized Congress Radio? Aruna Asif Ali edited a journal. Name of the journal is and who participated in round table conference? A woman. Bikaji Kama organized Free India Society in which country and called as Mother India's first cultural representative in which country? Who was the famous name? Who is the leader and revolutionary? The Queen of Jhansi. I hope you. Today's question is the role of women in Indian freedom struggle has been that of helpers rather than crusaders. We have to comment on it. Our introduction would be women who are always work behind the curtains before their participation in Indian struggle movement. Women play a large role in freedom struggle, not only helpers but also a crusaders. When men and so many leaders booked by Britishers, women held public meetings, organized picketing of shops, selling foreign alcohols and all articles, sold khadi, and actively participated in national movement. They bravely faced the baton of police and went to jails. Role of women: they play a role of revolutionary. Gandhian Satyagraha is a non-violent way to protest, but during this, many women who followed the revolutionary ways. Chittagong among raid perpetrated by Surya Sen had major women participation in form of Kalpana Datta and Pritiala Vadeda. Beena Das, a young student shot at the Bengal governor during convocation. Bhima Bai Holkar fought bravely against British Colonel McConnell and defeated him in guerrilla warfare. Leadership roles: Rani Lakshmi Bai was the famous name who is the leader and also a revolutionary, play a great role from in first war of freedom. Maharani Vellu Naichar, she probably only to defeated the British army successfully before 1857. Rani of Ramgarh and Tapaswini Maharani in 1857 was commendable. During non-cooperation movement, Rajkumari Amrita Kaur, Sarla Devi, Suchita Kriplani, Aruna Asif Ali, Muthulakshmi Reddy and Kasturba Gandhi and so on. Annie Besant launched Home Rule League with B.G. Tilak. Role of women in communication: Usha Mehta organized the Congress Radio. Gauri Parvati Bai, the Travancore Queen, carried out reforms in women's girls' education. Aruna Asif Ali edited journal Inqilab for mobilization. Bikaji Kama organized Free India Society in UK and called as Mother India's first cultural representative in USA. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit raised voice San Francisco. Sarojini Naidu participated in the round table conference. Participation in mass movements. During civil disobedience, women volunteers participated in marches, boycotts and Prabhat Peris like Desh Sevika Sangh patriotic group. Bai Amma, the mother of Ali brothers, addressed 6,000 women. Durga Bai collected thousands of Devdasi to hear Gandhiji's speech. When men put inside the jail, women came and continue the freedom movement. Our conclusion would be: these are some examples of women's role in freedom movements. So we can say women's role is not only helpers but crusaders too. They play a role of revolutionary, leadership, communication, participation in freedom struggle movement and so on. So many are still unsung women who participated but not recognized. Their roles is undefinable and heroic. Answers of one-line question: Annie Besant launched Home Rule League. Usha Mehta organized Congress Radio. Aruna Asif Ali edited Inqilab Journal. Sarojini Naidu participated in Round Table Conference. Bikaji Kama organized Free India Society in UK and also called as Mother India's cultural representative in USA. Rani Lakshmibai was the Queen of Jhansi. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.